Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. In front of you is Yanalyn Aguinaldo, 26 years old, married. I am the only child in the family. I have 3 kids. I had a baby when I was young. Now my 3 kids are 11, 5, and 3. I like to work in Hong Kong so I can earn more money because my kids are growing fast and need financial support. I have experience working as a domestic helper here in Philippines in 2 years. At that time I started my work, there were 2 kids for me to take care, 8 months old boy and 5 years old girl. The 5 years old girl was in kindergarten, so I need to bring her in school in the morning after preparing breakfast, bathing, help to wear uniform, brush teeth, and then we walk together. The house of my boss is very close in the school, so I fetch the child at 11 o'clock. For the 8 months old boy, I'll make sure he is clean. So I'll do the bathing, change diaper and clothes. I prepare milk. I clean the bottle. I carry him, and then we play together. After 1 year, I teach them basic, just like colors, shapes, how to talk, how to be polite, how to dance, how to smile. I love children. I hope you will like me, mom. And also do household chores, just like cooking, cleaning, washing, ironing, going to market. Please consider my application. I need this job. Please hire me, mom. Thank you and a blessed day.